Let's start with setting up the Playard. Undo the strap and roll out the frame from the mattress. Set the mattress aside for later. Lift each rail until it clicks. Don't press the center down just yet, it won't lock if you do. Once all 4 rails are locked, lift the frame up slightly and press the center of the Playard down until it clicks into place. Place the mattress soft side up inside the Playard. Feed the corner straps through the slots and snap them underneath. Make sure the center is locked, the rails feel firm, and the mattress lays flat. You're ready to go. If you want to attach the bassinet, here's how. Start by taking the mattress out of the Playard. You'll use it for the bassinet. Clip the fasteners of the bassinet around the top rails of the Playard. Connect the tubes to create the bottom of the bassinet. Now lay the mattress inside the bassinet, soft side up. Attach any accessories like the changing table and organizer. Now let's fold it away. If the bassinet is still on, here's how to fold everything down safely. First, remove all the accessories. Take the mattress out of the bassinet and set it aside. Pull the bassinet support bars apart. Unclip all 8 fasteners to detach the bassinet from the frame. Then grab the red tab in the center of the Playard floor and pull it all the way up. Slightly lift each rail, press the release button, and fold them down. Wrap the mattress around the folded frame, buckle the straps, and use the handle for easy transport.